Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats, and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome dancehall trap beat in FL Studio. So first I'm going to show you how to create the melody, so I'm going to use a lot of layers when creating this beat. Afterwards add some drums and just create a simple arrangement. So let's get right into it. So first let's set the tempo to 101 BPM. And I'm going to create the melody in the scale of C minor. So first just keep it really simple and start off with the piano. So I'm using the piano V2 from Arturia, and I'm going to use just the default preset. And I'm going to draw in every note right now. So we're creating this melody in C minor. So we just start off with a C flat, A sharp, something like this. And this F flat goes really well together with this C flat right here. So we're using this D sharp right here. So I'm going to add this one right here. So just reuse the C flat right here. Maybe an A sharp. And we could also use this G flat, I think. So this will be the main chord progression. So right now I'm going to add another synthesizer. So I'm going to add the Mini V3. So I found this preset right here. So I'm going to expand the melody a little bit more. So I'm going to copy this chord progression to this one. So maybe just create something which is really simple. Maybe just repeat this G sharp right here. And maybe do something similar right here. So and maybe add some roots note right here. So this F flat. So I'm going to add another sound. I'm using Analog Lab 5. So I found this preset right here and added this melody. And I'm going to add a vocal sample using Arcade. I found this really awesome sound bank, and I'm going to set the key to C minor, which is the key we're creating this beat in, and just play around. And I'm just going to copy this melody right here, paste it into this one. Maybe just use this oscillator right here. And I'm going to add a guitar, so I'm going to use the SH from Ample Sound. Just copy the original melody again, so just layering some sounds. And I'm going to add another guitar, so I'm going to add the TC, the amp guitar TC, and I'm using this preset, this one. And I'm going to create something like a riff. So we can use this G sharp. So something like this. Just duplicate it again. Turn. And I'm going to use this G sharp. And I think this note right here. So I'm going to check if this sounds alright with the chords. I think really awesome. So right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm going to use this kick, this one. So I'm just starting off with this simple rhythm. And maybe just add another snare. So in this case I'm just going to use a lot of different snares. Maybe just layer this one. And maybe just use another clap right here. So all from my Afro Future sample pack. I'm going to layer it with the clap right here. Maybe turn down the volume a little bit. And I'm going to use some more heads, so I'm using those from my African sample pack volume 1. So I think this one. That's fire. So layering it with this open head. Maybe add some more percussions. So I'm adding this one. I'm going to create a pattern using the open head pattern. So I think this one already sounds really awesome. Maybe add some swing. 20%, something like that. And then I'm going to add the kick. So I'm going to create a really simple pattern. I think that's really awesome, and right now I'm going to add the 808. So I'm going to make sure this 808 is in C. So it's in F sharp. So I'm going to open up this one right here. I'm going to create an envelope like this. And I'm going to select F sharp. So right now, when I'm playing in C flat, it's playing in C flat. So I'm going to follow the root notes of this progression right here. So I'm going to start off with this. So just draw them in like this. You can already hear it goes really well together with the chord progression. So we're going to create something like this right here. Maybe just add something like this. I think this one comes in way too early, so. That's fire. So I've made some more adjustments to the beat, but I've added some more effects, and it took a while before finding the right effects right here. So I've added some delay right here. This OTT compressor. It's just a free compressor, highly recommend it. Then I've added this reverb and used this EQ. So just got out some of the low frequencies and reduced this peak right here. Then this one, I've added this retro color, just the default preset, the final one. And I've added this Saturn to add some saturation to this one, which I think sounds really awesome. Then I've reduced some frequencies, which are caused by the saturation. Then added a lot of reverb. So this one is really spread it all over the stereo spectrum. And then I've added this vocal doubler. It just sounds awesome, I think. And the piano in the background. So I've cut out some of the high frequencies and low frequencies. So it's really filling the mid frequencies when it comes to this beat. Then I've added this guitar. Just with a lot of reverb. So it's really in the background. And then I've added the guitar riff. I've also added this retro color right here, so the retired amp preset. And that's basically it. So altogether it sounds like this. Right now I'm gonna create a simple arrangement. So this is just a really simple arrangement. I didn't add any rolls or whatever or effects, just the instruments which I've created. So first just an intro when it comes to all the sounds and the melodies. Right here the guitar is coming in, which I think is a really great addition when it comes to all the melodies. I maybe just got this one out right here. So the guitar riff. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to download the free FLP. The link will be in the description. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.